Jennifer with Jennifer at Home, and I recently visited the Intercontinental San Antonio Riverwalk Hotel with my family and the Cavalier restaurant. This beautiful hotel is located in the heart of San Antonio, Texas, on the Riverwalk. The hotel has ample parking with a wonderful parking garage. We entered through the valet parking, which was fabulous. The conveniently located lobby with lounge area is a perfect place to meet up with business associates or fellow travelers. Cozy seating areas are abundant in the main lobby as well as a coffee shop. Escalators, elevators, and restrooms are also conveniently located. Along with a beautiful ballroom are wonderful conference rooms with lovely city views. Several lounge areas are available for meeting up with friends, family, or business associates. Guest rooms or suites are perfectly furnished with cozy, comfortable furnishings. Let's head by the fitness center on the way to the wonderful, stunning rooftop pool with cabanas. The rooftop pool deck offers many seating areas as well as beautiful city views. The San Antonio Riverwalk can be seen from the hotel with easy access on the street level. After spending relaxing time on the rooftop pool area with great views of the lovely San Antonio skyline, we prepared ourselves for dinner at the notorious Cavalier restaurant in the hotel. It has another beautiful lounge area in the dining room. The Cavalier restaurant in the hotel had so many wonderful selections on the menu. We started our meal with fabulous popovers, cheese and meat tray, fig and prosciutto flatbread, and French onion soup. Our meals were all wonderful. After dinner, we were very eager to try some amazing desserts by the James Beard-nominated pastry chef Sofia Tejeda of San Antonio, Texas. The desserts were incredible and as delicious as they were beautiful. If you decide to visit San Antonio, Texas, I would definitely recommend this hotel, Intercontinental San Antonio Riverwalk. I am so happy you're here for this video. I appreciate it so much, and I would be really happy if you hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.